Hi, I'm Christy Schmidt. I'm Marketing Coordinator with IVC Technologies, and I am here today with Mr. Ken Starry, the man, the myth, the legend, Senior Analyst, and the only, let me get it right, ASNT certified in PDM, thermography, and vibration in the world.
Yes.
And he's right here at IVC Technologies. So Ken, what makes our hands-on lab so valuable to someone who's training?
Well, first of all, it's real size. It's not a little bench top, a grinder, or a little spin kit. It's 60 horsepower. We've got a right angle gearbox. We can run it through variable speed drive. We can put remote sensors on there as well as handheld sensors. And we can evaluate how they do when we insert problems into the drivetrain. Can they do what they've been trained to do?
For more information on our upcoming training schedule for 2021, check out our website.